guys, I look crazy as usual in my vlog. Guys, we went out for the second time since having the baby last night. I mean, I feel like last night was a real going out because I actually went out dancing with some friends. And the first night that we went out without the baby, we just went to have dinner and we went to have drinks somewhere, but it was like real chill. But last night we actually drank and went out, and it was really fun. I haven't had fun like that in such a long time. And I only drink in the beginning of the night. That way towards the end I would have enough time to like have the milk come out. Have the liquor come out of my system, and I could still breastfeed by the time we came home. But it was cool because I didn't feed him till 6 in the morning because my in-laws, they babysat him and they fed the baby you know, when we dropped him off like at 9. And then the baby right now, he's only waking up like 2 times to eat, and it's usually like around 1 a.m. and then again at 6. So they fed him at 1 and we picked him up around 1:30 or like 1:45. So I fed him like around 6 by then the milk was already ready to go. No more alcohol was in my system, but I am feeling it today, you guys. I understand now what people say, like when you have a baby, like it's really hard, you guys, because they have energy and they want to play. And my son, like as soon as he wakes up, like he's okay with cuddling for a few minutes in the bed, but he wants to come out. He wants to come to the sala, or he wants me to walk him around in every room, and he loves when I open the windows. Like he just wants to be up, you know. I don't have a hangover, thank God, but I do have a headache. I think I'm just dehydrated, so I'm trying to drink a lot of water. And we actually ordered DoorDash breakfast this morning. My husband has it a little worse. He drank a little bit more. So we ordered DoorDash and we got IHOP. And I'm just chilling here with the baby. Still have to be an adult, so I'm washing clothes. So for today, the plans are it's Sunday. We're just gonna have a chill Sunday. I took out some costillas de puerco that I'm gonna make today in like salsa verde. So I'll probably be doing that with you guys, showing y'all how I make that with some frijolitos. And yeah, I got some new workout tights, a new sports bra, and my new protein powder all came in yesterday. Been feeling super motivated, you guys, to work out. Last week I worked out 3 times out of the week, which to me is awesome because I haven't worked out in so long. So you're still tired from last night then? You don't want to go work out? You don't want to hit the gym?
Hell no. I just want to stay here.
And cuddle with the baby? Aww. So they're just watching cartoons, and I'm about to start on dinner. Look at all that mess over there, guys.
Stop filming this messy home.
Disregard that right there. Scrap.
They turn the TV off?
It's gonna be a good night, guys.
Hey, it sound like Cardi.
You just knew you were gonna be handsome when you were born. Huh? Yeah?
Why does he get serious?
Why you get serious when we start filming you? Huh? You just don't like being on the camera like your dad. Huh?
So I bought this drawer. This is like a 3-thing drawer from Walmart. Looks like this. Just a little plastic drawer. It was like 20 bucks. I've been wanting this, that way I can organize my workout clothes, especially now that I took them out of storage. I have all my workout clothes here. This is the stuff I used to have before I got pregnant. Also some jeans and like pants that I have. I still don't fit into most of these. They were all size 7 and I'm currently like a size 10. So these don't fit yet, but I'm really starting my fitness journey again and just getting everything organized. And look, you guys, this is the sports bra I just bought on Amazon. Look how freaking cute it is. It's not showing up as pink on camera, but it's more of a darker rosy pink. And then I don't know why on camera it's washing it out so much, but these are like a dusty, they don't really match. You can see that they're off, but I don't mind because I'm gonna be working out at home for now. And I got these in a size large. They are the 90 Degrees brand. I really love their workout pants. They're so awesome. So I'm just gonna start organizing my clothes, my workout clothes, in this drawers. And I have my sweatband. Yep, so I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that, and also my jeans in the drawer as well. Somebody's coming to sell chocolates at the house, and my husband is buying them right now. He loves those chocolate almonds. You know the chocolate covered almonds that they sell in those like little boxes. I'm still in my freaking house clothes, you guys. I'm about to change though, because I'm gonna take a little bath with the baby. You got your chocolate, which is you got two.
You know I'm addicted to them.
To these guys, the the world's finest chocolate. These are good though. They taste really good. I do like this. And just the other day I was telling him that I needed to buy more chocolate almonds because I love having chocolate almonds in the house. But the baby is fussing because he is fighting like his last nap. He only took a 20-minute nap. So right now I'm about to feed him again and see if he'll go down. I managed to start cooking dinner and I'm so hungry. I'm making just some costillas de puerco. Really not costillas because I cut it into little chunks. So it's just puerco with chile rojo or chile verde with some calabacitas and beans. I might make rice, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and feed the baby, see if he'll go down while my pork finishes cooking here. I just don't want it to stick because in this pan, the Martha Stewart, well, the cast iron pans, todo se pega. So I don't want it to stick on here. I might add a little bit of water, but it's releasing moisture, so I don't think it's gonna need it. Anyways, I'm gonna turn this down real low and I'm gonna go feed the baby and see if he'll go down for a nap. Yeah, I'm gonna go put him down in his room. Come on. His room's nice and cold, so I'm gonna try putting him down in here. And he is out, you guys. What's been helping is that swaddle. I started swaddling him again for naps, and I feel like that's what's really been helping him sleep. Do you have the monitor? You can turn it on. So yeah, today is a lazy Sunday, you guys. Bummy because we're still tired and dying. But I'm gonna finish cooking dinner and start cleaning. I need to go check on the clothes to see if it's done being washed. I have put a cold coconut water in the freezer. So, oh, it's frozen. It's ice frozen. Dang it, I didn't expect it to freeze. Oh no, it's not frozen. It's probably like slush because I've been feeling dehydrated. please. He is going bald back here. He's starting to have a little bald spot, my poor baby. Hi, puppy. Hi, Daddy. Right after I got done changing him, you guys, look what he did. Oh my God, he spit up everywhere. And look at him. Look at you. What did you do? Let me clean him up. God. I'm in the restroom, as you can see. The baby threw up all over me. I need to take this shirt off. I'm gonna shower. So what I've been liking to do, you guys, once a week, I've been liking to take a bubble bath with the baby. I just fill up the water with like a little bit of lukewarm water, and I use the Honest lavender baby soap, and it just makes the water nice and bubbly, and it's safe for the baby. So it's relaxing for me too, and I enjoy it. He enjoys it. He's really happy, and I noticed that he sleeps really well on those days. So I've been doing that. I did it the first time I did it without my husband because he was at work, and it was really hard getting out of the bathtub, you guys, like with a baby and you're dripping wet. Like I had to make sure to get him a towel first because he can pee, you know, and I was soaking wet, and then it was way too hard. So I said, next time I do it, I'm gonna make sure he's home. That way he can help me grab the baby, take care of the baby, you know, change him and everything while I kind of finish up in the shower. So I've been liking it that better because that way I get to relax in the bathtub too. So I've been doing that at least once a week, like I said, when my husband's here. Either on Saturday nights or Sunday nights, it's my bubble bath night with the baby. And I did it last week and it was really nice. I missed 1 week and I missed it. I was like, I need to do it again. So tonight, that's what we're doing. I'm gonna go ahead and get the bathtub ready. I like to just kind of spray down with a little bit of cleaner and get the bubble bath stuff ready. It's still early. It's like 6:45, about to be 7, and the clothes is still washing. So I'm gonna wait till the clothes finishes washing, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get our bath ready. And I'm super craving a sundae, like ice cream. I want a full-on sundae. And one of my friends literally texted me right now talking about let's work out tomorrow, and I'm over here craving sundaes. But anyways, you guys, let me go ahead and change out of this shirt and get the bath ready. I'm gonna go ahead and use this to clean the tub. I just do a little bit with like a little soft scrub and scrub it. So let me go ahead and do that.